Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Lake Lozon Beach is a lovely spot in Algoma Mills, Ontario. Lake Lozon is an inland lake with stunning views of the rugged landscape around it. The sandy beach here is ideal for swimming and sunbathing. The area is also great for hiking and exploring the natural surroundings. There are several trails nearby that offer stunning views and opportunities to connect with nature. You can swim in the clear waters, try your luck fishing, or take a boat out from the nearby launch to explore the lake. People have been coming here for years, drawn by the peaceful environment and natural beauty. Whether you're here for a relaxing day or an adventurous getaway, Lake Lozon Beach offers something special for everyone.
Thanks for watching!